Hey friends! Keeping your vehicle's interior spotless is easy with a reliable trash can that handles messes while maintaining a fresh scent. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car trash can in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first, the Jinsco Car Trash Can. This multifunctional marvel is a game changer for families who value organization and versatility on long road trips. It features a unique hook and loop closure that keeps garbage out of sight and effectively contains unpleasant odors. Beyond waste management, it serves as a reliable shopping bag or a portable cooler thanks to its double-layer PVA insulation. You can use it to carry water or keep snacks at the perfect temperature while on the go. The external mesh pockets provide even more room for small essentials like wipes and bottles. Because it is fully foldable and has an adjustable strap, it fits perfectly on headrests or consoles in any sedan, SUV, or truck. This is a truly comprehensive solution for keeping your cabin tidy during busy travel days, offering much more than just a simple bin. Next up, our second product, the Ripez Car Trash Can. This improved model stands out due to its rigid structural side bars that prevent the bin from collapsing even when it is completely empty. The design ensures a superior seal for the lid, which is crucial for locking in smells and hiding unsightly waste. Disposal is incredibly simple thanks to the soft rubber opening that allows you to drop trash inside without ever having to lift the cover. It offers a 1.75-gallon capacity and features a waterproof lining that guarantees your car's floor and seats stay dry and stain-free. The extra-long adjustable strap makes it easy to mount on front seats or center consoles for maximum reachability at all times. It even includes a front fabric pocket and side mesh storage for added convenience, making it a highly efficient way to manage clutter and odors in your vehicle daily. Coming in at number 3, the Vanker Car Trash Can, offering a generous capacity that ranges from 2.2 to 3 gallons, this bin is perfect for those who generate a lot of waste during long commutes. It is lined with 100% leak-proof PVA material, which makes cleanup as easy as wiping it down with a damp cloth. The large elastic top opening allows for mess-free disposal of larger items, while two side clasps keep your disposable plastic liners from slipping out of place. You can hang this versatile unit from the gear shift, glove box, or headrest, ensuring it is always within arm's reach of the driver or passengers. The 3 external mesh pockets act as an additional organizer for items like umbrellas, snacks, or tissues. Its rugged, waterproof construction means you can even use it for picnics or outdoor adventures beyond the confines of your car, providing long-lasting performance. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Elongriver Car Trash Can. This 2-gallon capacity bin is expertly crafted with sturdy stitching and a leak-proof interior to handle both wet and dry waste without any trouble. It features a clever collapsible design, so you can fold it away when you need to reclaim some legroom in the back seat. The 2 utility side clasps are specifically designed to hold disposable bags firmly, preventing them from falling inward and creating a mess. Its insulated interior is a fantastic bonus, allowing you to use it as a temporary cooler for cold drinks or a warm lunch bag. 3 elastic side pockets offer quick access storage for small toys, charging cables, or snacks during family outings. Whether you are in an RV, boat, or truck, this stylish and durable accessory ensures your environment remains hygienic and organized. It is truly a multifunctional must-have for anyone who spends significant time behind the wheel every single day. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the Odor Car Trash Can. This highly functional bin uses a set of 4 metallic magnetic snaps that make the process of replacing trash bags incredibly fast and efficient. The adjustable strap provides the flexibility to secure it to the center console or headrests, making it accessible to every passenger in the vehicle. Its inner lining is completely waterproof and leak-proof, offering peace of mind against spills that could otherwise ruin your upholstery. When not being used for garbage, this multipurpose container serves as a great organizer for toys and bottles or as a spill-proof cooler for road trip beverages. Its collapsible nature allows it to tuck away neatly when space is at a premium, yet it remains sturdy when fully expanded. This is a reliable and convenient solution for maintaining a tidy, hygienic, and well-organized car interior across all types of vehicles, ensuring your cabin looks great on every journey. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.